Let's face it, vehicles are becoming more technical and customers more demanding. To keep pace, you and your technicians should continually sharpen your skills to meet those evolving needs. Your people are your most valuable asset, so they require ongoing development. The question is, does your shop have a structured plan for continuing development? A lack of training leads to poor service, frustrated customers, and ultimately lost business. Let's talk about some strategies to maintain the development of your tire shop technicians. What does an effective talent development plan look like? At its core, it should address both the operational needs of the business and the developmental needs of your people. For tire dealers, that means having a clear strategy for keeping technicians, service advisors, and even management up to speed with changes in vehicles, customer expectations, and shop technology. Ongoing technician development is especially important. Every dealer needs to analyze which technical skills are necessary to meet customer expectations. From there, it's about identifying the right training resource, whether internal or external, to deliver that knowledge. Choosing the right resource matters. The automotive industry is advancing rapidly, and simply keeping pace requires constant attention. Without a formal program to keep technicians informed and trained, a dealer risks not only falling behind competitors, but also losing qualified employees who want to work where their skills are being developed. The amount of training required can vary, but it's reasonable to expect 40 to 80 hours of continued development per technician each year. That number may sound high, but it's actually standard in many other industries where certification and recertification are expected. In the end, a structured, consistent approach to training isn't just about compliance or checking a box. It's about protecting your business, developing your people, and giving customers confidence that your shop is equipped to service their increasingly complex vehicles. Investing in training is investing in your future, and it's one investment no shop owner can fail to ignore. For more tire and shop videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.